For an e-commerce store owner, navigating the vast array of plugins, around 60,000 options, can be daunting. Choosing the right plugins is critical, as they can significantly enhance your store's functionality and customer experience. To aid business owners, developers offer the use of plugins beforehand through live staging and demo sites. Staging sites allow developers to test plugins in various scenarios before launching them, ensuring compatibility and performance. Demo sites enable WooCommerce Store owners to try premium plugin features to see if they meet their specific needs, providing a hands-on experience without any commitment. How to create a live staging site and live demo site for your WordPress plugin. Setting up staging and demo sites can be done in several ways, each with its advantages and considerations. Traditional hosting methods like shared hosting and virtual private servers, VPS, offer varying levels of resources and control. Shared hosting is cost-effective but has limited resources, while VPS offers better control and dedicated resources but requires more technical expertise. Cloud hosting services such as AWS, GCP, and Azure provide high reliability and scalability but can be costly. Tools like Local by Flywheel offer easy setups for WordPress sites locally on your computer, and WordPress staging plugins like WP Staging enable you to clone your site and create a staging environment within your WordPress dashboard. InstaWP, a new toolkit, simplifies this process by enabling instant setup of staging and demo sites. InstaWP is user-friendly and efficient, making it accessible for both developers and store owners. To get started, visit instawp.com and sign up. Once logged in, you can create a staging site by following the steps. From the dashboard, click Staging at the top. Then click Add New, click Shield Security from the popular option, then press Create Site. Now your staging site is ready, click the given URL. Creating a demo site with InstaWP involves deriving a template from your staging site. The free version of InstaWP allows for one template. Now go to Templates and click Add New, then click the site and press Next, give template name and description and save it. You can customize the demo site with your logo, color scheme, and branding elements, ensuring a professional appearance and maintaining consistency with your brand identity. After creating the template, click Edit icon and turn on Enable Sharing and save it. Press Preview. Now in the New tab, click Launch Demo and proceed. Your demo site will be available for hours. You can set expiration times for demo site links to control access duration, and WP admin access can be configured to bypass login credentials for easier management. Check learnwoo.com for more videos, articles, and resources related to websites, WooCommerce, and WordPress. If you liked this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to keep getting updates on more such videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.